AirTags are small, Bluetooth-enabled tracking devices developed by Apple that can be used to help you locate and keep track of your valuables. Here are some ways you can use AirTags to protect your belongings. Attach AirTags to valuables. You can attach AirTags to your valuables such as keys, wallets, bags, purses, or any other item you want to keep track of. AirTags are small and lightweight, making them easy to attach or slip into a pocket or compartment. Enable Find My app. AirTags are designed to work with the Find My app on Apple devices. Make sure your AirTags are set up and linked to your Apple ID. This allows you to track the location of your AirTagged items using your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Track items in real time. With the Find My app, you can see the location of your AirTagged items on a map in real time. This can be helpful if you misplace or lose your belongings, as you can track them down quickly and accurately. Place out. If you're having trouble finding an AirTagged item nearby, you can use the Find My app to play a sound on the AirTag, helping you locate it. The sound emitted by the AirTag is loud enough to be heard within a reasonable range. Lost mode and notifications. If you've misplaced an item with an AirTag and it's not nearby, you can activate lost mode in the Find My app. This allows you to enter a phone number or message that will be displayed on the screen of any Apple device that comes into contact with your lost item. If someone finds your item, they can use their iPhone or any NFC-enabled smartphone to view the message and contact you. Precision finding. With certain iPhone models equipped with the U1 chip, you can take advantage of precision finding. This feature uses Ultra-Wideband technology to provide more precise directions to your AirTag. It can guide you with on-screen arrows and haptic feedback, making it easier to locate your item. Anti-Stalking Features. AirTags have built-in anti-stalking features to help protect your privacy. If an AirTag that doesn't belong to you is moving with you for an extended period, your iPhone will notify you. This can help prevent someone from using an AirTag to track your movements without your knowledge. It's important to note that AirTags are primarily designed for personal item tracking and may have limitations in certain scenarios. They are not a substitute for security measures or insurance. Always use common sense and take appropriate precautions to protect your belongings, such as securing them properly and ensuring their safety in different environments. Additionally, be aware of local laws and regulations regarding the use of tracking devices to ensure compliance and respect for privacy.